Everybody, so we just finished another installation. This is 3.5 kV Smarten Inverter with soft squeeze battery, Tall Tubular battery. We have our breaker here. We have this is our MPPT charge controller. This is our knife changeover switch, well labeled for the client so that you can know the solar and the inverter. And we have our inputs and output. So if I trip it off like this, you can see the light is off. I trip it off. And for the solar part, if I bring it down, this is solar part now. If I trip it up now, you can see the light is off. If I trip it on back, the light comes up. If I put it back on, they said I should put NEPA there. If I put it on the power holding, if I trip this one up and on, it doesn't have effect because it's only have effect on the output of the inverter. And why this one have effect on the charging part of the inverter. So if you have inverter installation, CCTV, gate automation, home automation, smart gate automation, please call on us. We are just a call away from you. So thank you very much. Thank you for trusting our brand. You can see currently the battery is maximum load full. That's 28 volts. Although it rarely gets to 28 volts. Have a nice time. Bye.